Hello everyone, how are you today? Did you find a topic? Did you manage to categorize it? Did you manage to decide whether you want to do an argumentative or a problem solution topic? Alright, so what I am going to talk about today is about the paragraphing. Now please everybody know that paragraphing is about writing. So we assume that you found your article, okay? And then you found your article or articles, then you read them. Then after you read them, then you want to write, put the ideas together, and you want to write a paragraph, okay? So I would like to talk about paragraphing. Also, what I teach you today is good because when you are going to read articles, then you are going to look for the main idea in each paragraph. So what I am going to teach you today not only benefits you when you read articles, but only benefits you when you want to write your term paper. So please everybody, today I want to teach you how to read a paragraph and how to write a paragraph. If you know how to read a paragraph, then when you read an article, then you will understand the main idea. If you know how to write a paragraph, when you want to combine the articles you read, put them together, then actually it will be very easy for you and you can write very good paragraphs. Okay? So, the first thing I want to talk about is what is the main idea. The main idea is the main point of paragraph. So it is the most important thought about a topic. So please everybody don't forget that each paragraph only and only talks about one main idea. So if you want to talk about a second main idea, you have to go to the second paragraph. Now, what are the different types of ideas in the paragraph? Number one, implied. Number two, clear. Sometimes the main idea is not clearly stated in the paragraph. Then you have to extract it. You have to find that out, all right? Sometimes it is quite clear. So, what is the implied main idea? Implied main idea is not clearly mentioned in the paragraph. So you have to figure it out. Okay? For example, to figure out the main idea, ask yourself the question, what is the paragraph about? For example, the paragraph is about the TV, right? Then you have to change it into a sentence. What does the paragraph say about the TV? For example, advantages and disadvantages of TV, right? And then change it into a sentence. There are advantages and disadvantages to watching TV. So this is going to be your main idea or your topic sentence that usually should appear at the beginning of the paragraph, but not always, okay? Or of course, watching TV has advantages and disadvantages. Watching TV can have both good and bad effects. Please everybody look at this paragraph. Okay? So, during the volcanic eruption, the wind can blow volcanic ash long distances and cause nasal irritation, sore throat, and respiratory problems. The volcanic ash can also destroy cities. However, when the volcanic ash breaks down over time, it can become new fertile soil producing good crops. So, first of all, what is the paragraph about? Is it about volcanic ash or eruption? I suppose that everybody would agree it is about volcanic ash because volcanic ash is the result of volcanic eruption, but the paragraph is talking about the volcanic ash. What does it say about volcanic ash? Does it only talk about the negative effects or also the positive effects? Of course, the last sentence is the positive effect. So, as you can see here, the red sentences are the negative effects. The green one is the positive effect. Okay, so the effects of volcanic ash, the positive and the negative. So this can be our topic sentence or our main idea. But of course you cannot see it here. So nowhere in this paragraph says volcanic ash can be advantages or disadvantages. So you have to figure it out. But sometimes, of course, it appears at the beginning. Okay? For example, like this one. At the beginning, volcanic ash can be hazardous and beneficial. Then continue during the volcanic eruption. The wind can blow volcanic ash long distances and cause nasal irritation and so on. So please everybody don't forget that here the topic sentence appears at the beginning. And what is very, very much important here is that when first you talk about the hazardous, and then you can talk about the beneficial. It means that the first sentences would be about the hazard, and then the final sentences would be about the benefits. Okay? Or sometimes the topic sentence does not appear at the beginning. It just appears after a few sentences for introduction. For example, look at this one. Have you ever experienced volcanic ash in your area? Are they beneficial or hazardous? Many people agree that volcanic ash is a disaster. And then I will talk about the topic. Volcanic ash can be hazardous and beneficial. And then, of course, I talk about the benefits, and then I talk about the hazard. Sometimes the topic sentence can be split into two parts. Okay, for example, like this one. Volcanic ash can be hazardous, and then I talk about the hazards or the negative effects. And then the second part of the topic sentence, however, volcanic ash can be beneficial too, and then I talk about the benefits. Sometimes the topic sentence comes at the end of the paragraph. So first I talk about it, first I discuss, and finally I come to the conclusion, the concluding remarks. So please everybody, so when you read a paragraph, you have to look for the main idea. If you look for the main idea, then you will be able to understand what the paragraph is about. And of course, then you will understand the whole article much easier and better. Okay, so this is another practice for you. So I would like you to pause and read this short paragraph and tell me which sentence is the main topic. Okay? Now, this is the main topic. There is a short introduction, and of course the red sentence is the main topic. Okay, everyone, thank you very much and have a good time.